Our kittens are Abyssinian. Our kittens, they are Abyssinian. They cause trouble wherever they go, but nobody cares, 'cause they're cute as you know they are. Even Bunny is being won over. He can't believe his good luck. He's got Abyssinian kittens to love. Oh, he's got Abyssinian kittens to love. Gladys! See those ears? That's an Abyssinian. Where's my Stella? Bunny, why are you screaming? No one is even doing anything. Stella, come out. Oh, here's my babies. Abyssinian, folks. I found out we got Abyssinian kittens. They're known as troublemakers and the clowns of the cat world. Also called Abyssinians, because they're so silly. Which is why Bunny left. He's had enough of their silliness already. That's a great brand new toy Mommy made out of weird stuff. So they're having some fun. And that's just this morning's announcement. Abyssinian kittens! Oh boy! Da, 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 da.